Locate the water filter cover in the upper right-hand corner of the refrigerator interior. Filter covers will have one of two different types of releases, push or pull. The push style can be identified by the word push embossed on the tab on the cover end facing out, and the pull style will have a recessed tab on the front underside of the cover. For the push style filter cover, release the cover by pushing in on the tab and slightly downward, so the filter cover hangs open from the back at an angle. For the pull style filter cover, release the cover by pulling the tab gently toward the front, so the filter cover hangs open from the back at an angle. If this is a new refrigerator installation, a blue bypass cap will be inside the filter opening. Remove the blue bypass cap by turning it counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn and then pull straight out. Please keep the bypass cap for future use if needed. To replace a used filter, unscrew and remove the cartridge by turning it counterclockwise until it releases, and then pull straight out. Discard the used filter cartridge. Remove the new filter from any packaging and pull the seal off the end of the cartridge. With the threads facing toward the back, align the new filter with the opening in the refrigerator and push in until seated. Turn the filter clockwise approximately 1/4 of a turn until the filter stops. Close the filter cover by lightly lifting it from underneath and pressing upward until it snaps shut. To ready your water line for use, you will now need to purge air from the water system.